Guys, I'm back again with another ETF that I explored from the Global X ETF company. This one's called the Global Interest Savings ETF, or the CASH ETF that everybody has known this for. The speciality for this ETF is that I'll give you monthly distributions of about 3% over a year by keeping your cash at a safe place, and in the market where it won't experience any volatility. It can be a better option than just keeping in your regular savings account in your bank accounts, because they won't give you that much interest rates, and it's not worth it to keep that much money in your bank accounts anyways in Canada. As far as their goes, or the amount or the price goes, it always fluctuates around the $50 range. Whenever they pay out the distribution, it goes down by a couple cents, but for the most part it remains around $50. Risk rating is always low for the ETF, as the price always fluctuates around 50.01 or 50.02 depending on if the distribution date is close. But other than that, the price remains almost stable. As far as their holdings goes, I'll just scroll down to see where all their holdings are. If you guys have a look, like where's the holdings? Yeah, if I scroll, right there. So if you have a look, all their holdings are in the bigger banks like the National Bank, Scotiabank, and the CIBC banks, where they are getting the highest interest rates, and make sure the investors who are investing in their ETF are also getting the higher rate of return by keeping their cash parked in one of those accounts, and a mix of those accounts, and get the investors a higher income at the same time. Also, if you look at their distributions, they have been pretty constant. They have never missed a payment yet, and they have been fluctuating depending on how the Bank of Canada interest rates are changing, but they have been pretty solid and pretty good. What I think is why you should consider this ETF is because it's a great cash parking tool, better returns than your traditional savings account that Canada is offering anyways right now. There's no lockup time. It's not like your GICs or something like that. Like GICs have a lockup time, so it's not like that. You can trade anytime. It's very liquid, and you can buy it in RSP, TFSA, and RESP eligible. And if you see the holdings, if you see how many people hold it, you'll be surprised. About 6.8 billion in net assets, and a lot of people like in Canada trust it. If you see anybody who's a smart investor, he's using it. Thank you.